John, get to the pool at like 7 o'clock or at night.
Tear off your shirt, fatty. Hold on. Are you insecure? Wait. Wait, don't go yet. Take off your watch. It is 38 degrees outside. And the pool is even colder. It's not heated.
Can you get it? Is that a good picture? Oh, I think we should have. Oh, never mind. Here you go.
Hurry up. I'm putting this right on YouTube. Go. His back is red as fuck. His body's red.
How cold are you?
Look at my screen, dude. Look how red it is.
Oh, damn, dude, I can't see that far.
Alright, jump in here.
Do it again.
Dive time, dive. Just like a noise.
Are you gonna do it again or not?
Gotcha.
Alright, bye.
Why? Okay.